Her tail's down. I'm not sure she's enjoying. Maybe she hates this.
Beeps!
Hi, Charlie! Look how tentative she's being. Oh, you're okay.
You don't like the towel game?
No, she's a towel game.
It's over. Hello.
What else we got in here? Oh, then I saw.
Wait.
Hi.
I'm getting really close to your face.
No! Oh, no. Not this morning. So I put this snowman up, right, Megan?
Mm-hmm.
And I noticed that he had a big pile of it looked like somebody had actually taken a hole and taken all of his stuffing out.
Ooh.
And it was all right there.
Poor
and
guy.
I was like, did the cat attack you last night? And then I realized that it had been there and I didn't know it, and it's a mouse nest.
Ew.
Because it was full of mouse poop
Ew.
and food and
Ew.
I know, so I have to clean him. So he's laying over here.
Ew.
Yeah, exactly. Daddy said he found another dead mouse downstairs.
Ew.
We should really let Ashes do something, don't you think?
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Wait, can you balance on here? It is November 28, 2017. Tuesday. We're getting pomegranate seeds. Let me try one. Let me try one.
Ever?
Nah, ma'am. Why? Wait.
What? You want more?
That's gross, isn't it?
It's different.
Pomegranate juice is gross.
Throw up. You drink some?
Oh my gosh. Guys, so I finished my textbook. Remember how last week I was like, I'm going to read the full chapters, and I didn't? Well, I just finished last chapter today, and I'm all done until the final exam. Yay! Oh look, back to the old days of noodles.
Yep.
Cool. We're gonna get my car goods fixed! Coffee's hot? Yeah. With Puffy! Movies. Dad's gonna test drive the car. Cause he got it back. Yeah, I drove him and Pop around. They sat back there, but I was driving, so I didn't do anything about it. Guys, here you go. Now you can see it better. Listen to this. Ha 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 ha. I locked it. But here, I'll give you a tour real fast. I mean, I'm already out here. Might as well. Ugh. Trying to get my keys. Okay. I got way too many of them. Okay, anyway. Here's the front. And this, I got a CD player here, and I got a 6 CD player here, so I put all my CDs in here. All the controls I'm already figuring out how to use. This is all of my radio stations. Over here on the wheel, you can change the song. If I'm on CD, I can change what song to play, and this is the volume. This is change it from radio and CD. I haven't figured out how to use cruise yet. I'm really hungry, sorry. And here's the windshield wipers and the lights and stuff. And then this is the gear shift, which is amazing. I love it up front. When I did my drives when I was 16, 15, that's what I used for the car we're driving. And then back here in the back, well, I got lots of space to put things, so the gear shift isn't down here. So there's all those. And let's see. That's to get in there. Then I can also lift it up here. That's where my CDs and my aux cord. And then we'll get in the back. I have room up here now too. I used to have like no room to put my stuff on there. But air freshener and stuff. And back here, I got all these container things, and I got my stuff. Doing a tour! Come join the tour! Okay. And another power outlet here for people. They can control the rear here. More pockets. And then, try to hit my head. Also, all these lights work. And put the seats down, and then I can put, oh, here, I'll show you. Put my fish on. If I want the seats up. Oh, wait, I can't do it in this direction. I'm too old. And there's a third row of seats. All three of them in the back there. Whew. I'm usually going to keep those down anyway. Ooh. And there it is. I love the trunk. I haven't had such a big trunk before. Ugh. Emergency bag in there. I don't even know what this stuff is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. We're going to put that back on. Yep, so I got my fish there, and then it's a Honda Pilot. Super big. I'm super proud. So, brand new tires too. And supposedly they fixed. Yeah. Anyway, there it is. We're gonna eat dinner now, and I have class later. First time driving my car to an activity. So, yes. Okay, bye now. Like. Alright guys, end of the vlog. Now I don't know if you will see more vlogs after this for a while, or I might be taking a break. Like I'll still be editing and have vlogs for you, but I might upload them all at once like I did over the Thanksgiving break. It wasn't that long ago, but you'll figure it out. You'll know before I do. So I was gonna be happy to see you guys all tomorrow, or not, whatever. Bye!